viruses.
Who are you?
I'm a vaccine, if you know what I mean.
Do you work?
That remains to be seen. The scientists teamed up with some virus detectives, and we could wipe out COVID if I'm safe and effective. But before they know, we will still have to show that I work so safely.
So you could cure COVID?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Vaccines aren't cures, kid. You give us to healthy people before they get sick, and we teach their immune system how to fight the virus on its own.
So what are you waiting for? Let's do it!
Slow down! First, I gotta be tested in a lab. Then I'm tested in humans, in 3 different phases, each with more and more people. Each one can take months or even years to finish. If they see I work and I'm safe after the 3rd phase, and the FDA says I'm ready, only then do I go to market. If not, well, fortunately, there are dozens of other vaccines being tested too.
And then we can get rid of coronavirus?
Not so fast! They've still got to mass produce me on a huge scale, and people have to be willing to take me. Until then, don't forget to keep that mask on, and good luck with your skateboarding!
Thanks! Good luck ending the global pandemic.
I'm a vaccine, and you won't believe, but I've just completed phase 3, so maybe someday soon, when the factories can make me, and lots of people have a chance to take me, then maybe we'll see humanity reach herd immunity.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Lo Pei Yu from 4D.
I'm Lao Hoying from 4D. Welcome to our Interclass Science Quiz competition. The theme of Science Quiz this year is the development of vaccines in the past, at present, and in the future. The Science Quiz consists of 2 parts: compulsory part, quick response part. All are multiple choice questions. For compulsory part, there are 5 questions. Each question scores 20 marks. All class representatives must attempt the questions. No marks will be deducted for wrong answers. However, second attempt is not allowed. For quick response part, there are 10 questions. Each question scores 20 marks. 10 marks will be deducted for wrong answers. Second attempt is not allowed. For both parts, after reading the questions, you have 10 seconds to discuss and show your answers, A, B, C, or D, by raising the corresponding cardboard. When time is up, the team is not allowed to change your answer anymore. The question and the 4 choices will be displayed on the monitor after the question is read completely. For quick response part, the team which ring the bell first may answer the question. The answer should be presented after a class is called. If the bell is rung, the host will stop reading the question, and you will have 10 seconds to discuss and show your answers. If no teams ring the bell in 10 seconds, the host will ring the bell twice. The correct answer will be presented, and the science quiz proceeds to the next question. If more than 1 team have the same score, 1 additional question will be asked.
All COVID-19 vaccines being developed aim to produce immunity to the SARS-CoV-2 virus by stimulating an immune response to an antigen, usually the characteristic spike protein found on the surface of the virus. Some traditional vaccines achieve this by modifying the virus to weaken or disable it, so that when introduced to the body, an immune response can be generated to the antigen, without the virus causing disease. When the immune system comes into contact with the weakened virus, its defences, such as antibodies and T cells, attack the virus or infected cells. In the process, specialised memory cells take note of the specific antigen and prime the immune system to produce cells and antibodies that will quickly target these proteins. So the next time that person is exposed to the same virus, the immune system is ready to fight it off. Instead of using the whole virus, another way to trigger immunity involves using just fragments of it, like the spike proteins. These subunit vaccines have the advantage of being relatively easy and cheap to produce, and are incapable of causing disease because these fragments are not able to infect host cells. However, they are less likely to be recognised by immune cells aimed at attacking infected cells, which means they may trigger a weaker immune response. Because of this, subunit vaccines often include chemical agents called adjuvants, which are designed to stimulate a stronger immune response, and booster shots may also be required. Not all vaccines are designed to introduce antigens to the body. Some work by using cells in a patient's body to produce the antigens themselves. Examples include viral vector vaccines and mRNA vaccines. In both cases, the goal is to get a short fragment of genetic code taken from the target pathogen, in this case the SARS-CoV-2 virus that causes COVID-19, into the patient's cells. By hijacking the cellular mechanisms, these kinds of vaccines mimic the way viruses normally reproduce during natural infection. But rather than creating copies of the virus, the cells only produce large amounts of antigen that then usually trigger a strong immune response. Viral vector vaccines achieve this by inserting the genetic code for the antigen into a harmless virus, which effectively acts like a delivery system to get the code into the cells without causing disease. Vector-based vaccines can be complex to develop, but they can trigger strong immune responses without the need for adjuvants. And in theory, one type of vector can be used to deliver code for a range of different antigens, which can speed up vaccine development. Nucleic acid vaccines, like mRNA and DNA vaccines, also involve inserting genetic code into cells to produce antigens. But instead of using viruses to deliver the code, these vaccines take a more direct approach that involves inserting the code directly into cells, either by attaching it to a molecule or by forcing it into cells using a gene gun. These vaccines can be quick and cheap to develop, but they are a relatively new technology. With hundreds of COVID-19 vaccines now in development, it's likely that a mixture of different approaches will be needed in order to stop the global spread of this coronavirus and end the pandemic.
Round 1, compulsory part. About the COVID-19. Question 2. Which of the following methods can prevent the spread of COVID-19? A. Vaccines. B. Wear face masks. C. Wash hands regularly. D. All of the above.
Time is up. Please show your answer to the front.
The correct answer is D. That means all of the class are correct. Question 3. When was the first COVID-19 case found in Hong Kong? A. December 2019. B. January 2020. C. February 2020. D. March 2020.
Time is up. Please show your answer to the front.
The correct answer is B. That means class 1C and 1D are correct. Question 4. Among the foreign countries below, Which has the highest number of deaths in total? A. India. B. Brazil. C. France. D. Italy.
Time is up. Please show the answer to the front.
Correct answer is B. Brazil. That means none of the class answered correctly. Quick response part about the COVID-19 vaccines. Question 1. Which of the following vaccines is manufactured in China? A. Johnson & Johnson's vaccine. B. BioNTech. C. Moderna vaccine. D. CoronaVac.
Class 1D, please answer the question.
The answer is D. Correct. Question 2. What is the minimum age for receiving the Sinovac vaccine? A. 16. B. 18. C. 60. D. 65.
Class 1D, please answer the question. Class 1D, please show me the answer.
The correct answer is B. 18. That means it's incorrect. Question 3. How many people in Hong Kong have received the first dose of vaccines? A. 300,000. B. 500,000. C. 600,000. D. 900,000.
Class 1B, please answer the question. Class 1B, please show me the answer.
The correct answer is D. 900,000. That means the answer is incorrect. Question 4. What is the nature of BioNTech vaccines? A. mRNA. B. Protein subunits. C. DNA. D. Whole virus.
Class 1D, please answer the question. Class 1D, please show me the answer.
The correct answer is A. mRNA. That means the answer is incorrect. Question 5. What should be the temperature range used in store the whole virus vaccines? That means Sinovac. A. minus 90 degrees Celsius to minus 60 degrees Celsius. B. minus 20 degrees Celsius to minus 10 degrees Celsius. C. minus 10 degrees Celsius to minus 4 degrees Celsius. D.
Class 1D, please answer the question. Class 1D, please show me the answer.
The correct answer is D. That means the answer is incorrect. Question 6. What is the shelf life of the whole virus vaccines? That means BioNTech, if properly stored. A. 1 month. B. 3 months. C. 6 months. D. 12 months.
Class 1B, please answer the question. Class 1B, please show me the answer.
The correct answer is C. That means the answer is correct. Question 7. What is the dosing schedule of the mRNA virus vaccines that is BioNTech? A. 7 days apart. B. 14 days apart. C. 21 days apart. D.
Class 1A, please answer the question. Class 1A, please show me the answer.
The correct answer is C. That means the answer is incorrect. Question 8. Which of the following is the method of delivery and administration of COVID-19 vaccines in Hong Kong? A. Injection into muscles. B. Injection into the area just under the skin. C. Oral route. D. Nasal spray.
Time is up.
The correct answer is A. Injection into muscles. About other vaccines. Question 10. Which of the following is not the side effects of vaccines? A. Mild fever. B. Muscle pain. C. Loss of taste. D. Headache.
Class 1B, please answer the question. Class 1B, please show me the answer.
The correct answer is C. That means the answer is incorrect. All questions have been asked. Class 1A, please show your marks. Class 1A got 130 marks. Class 1B, please show your marks. Class 1B got 140 marks. Class 1C, please show your marks. Class 1C got 180 marks. Class 1D, please show your marks. Class 1D got 190 marks. That means the winner of science quiz is Class 1D. Congratulations.
Question 1. Which of the following is or are not the common symptoms of COVID-19? A. New loss of taste and smell. B. Fever. C. Cough. D. Loss of memory.
Time's up. All classes, please show your answer to the front.
The correct answer is D. 20 points for all the classes. Next question. In last 30 days, which country has the highest number of confirmed COVID-19 cases? A. USA. B. India. C. Brazil. D. Russia.
Time's up. Please show your answers.
Class 2 is B. 20 points to all classes. This is the end of round 1. Round 2. Quick response part. About the COVID-19 vaccines. Question 1. Which of the following vaccine is not developed in China? A. BBIBP CORV. B. Sinovac. C. Comirnaty. D. WIBP CORV. Class 2C. Correct. The answer is C. Next question. What is the nature of Sinovac vaccine? A. mRNA. B. Protein subunits. C. DNA. D. Whole virus.
Time's up.
The correct answer is D. The next question. What is the shelf life of the whole virus vaccine if properly stored? A. 1 month. B. 3 months. C. 6 months. D. 12 months.
Class 2A.
Incorrect. The answer should be D. 10 points deducted for Class 2A. Next question. What is the dosing schedule of the whole virus vaccine? A. 7 days apart. B. 17 days apart. C. 21 days apart. D. 28 days apart.
Class 2C.
The answer is correct. 20 points for Class 2C. Question 9. Which of the following vaccine is the most traditional? A. Viral vector. B. mRNA. C. Inactivated viruses. D. Protein subunits.
Class 2A.
The answer is correct. 20 points to Class 2A. The last question. Which of the following diseases would be offered a vaccine for the female students in primary 5 and 6 in Hong Kong? A. Hepatitis B. B. HPV. C. Hand, foot, and mouth diseases. D. Influenza.
Class 2B.
The answer is correct. 20 points to Class 2B. Can Class 4A show the marks of Class 4A? The marks of Class 4A is 190. The marks for Class 2B is 180. The marks for Class 2C is 260. The marks for Class 2D is 220. So the winner of the science quiz goes to Class 2C.
Round 1, compulsory part. About the COVID-19. Question 1. Which of the following living or non-living thing causes COVID-19? A. Bacteria. B. Virus. C. Fungi. D. Procystis.
Time is up.
The class are correct. Question 4. Among the following countries below, which has the highest number of deaths in total? A. India. B. Brazil. C. France. D. Italy.
Time is up. Show your answer.
The correct answer is B. Brazil. So no class is correct. Round 2, correct response part about the COVID-19 vaccines. Question 2, which is the minimum age for receiving the Sinovac vaccine? A. 16, B. 18, C. 60, D. 65.
Class 3D, please answer the question. Class 3D, please show me the answer.
The answer is correct. Question 3. How many people in Hong Kong have received the first dose of vaccine? A. 300,000. B. 500,000. C. 600,000. D. 900,000.
Class 3C, please answer the question. Class 3C, please show me the answer.
The answer is correct. Question 4. What is the nature of BioNTech vaccines? A. mRNA. B. Protein subunits. C. DNA. D. Whole virus.
Class 3D, please answer the question. Class 3D, please show me the answer.
The answer is correct. Question 6. What is the shelf life of the whole virus vaccine? That is, BioNTech, if properly stored. A. 1 month. B. 3 months. C. 6 months. D. 12 months.
Class 3C, please answer the question. Class 3C, please show me the answer.
The answer is incorrect. The correct answer is C. 6 months. Question 7. What is the dosing schedule of the mRNA virus vaccine? That is, BioNTech. A. 7 days apart. B. 14 days apart. C. 21 days apart. D. 28 days apart.
Class 3C, please answer the question. Class 3C, please show me the answer.
The correct answer is C. 21 days apart. All questions has been asked. Class 3A, please show your scores. Class 3A got 200 scores. Class 3B, please show your scores. Class 3B got 140 marks. Class 3C, please show your marks. Class 3C got 200 marks. Class 3D, please show your marks. Class 3D got 210 marks. That means the winner of today's science quiz is Class 3D. Congratulations.
Round 1, compulsory part. About the COVID-19. Question 2. Which of the following photo represents the coronavirus?
Time's up.
The correct answer is C, 20 points for all classes. Question 3. What is the meaning of corona and coronavirus? A. Heart. B. Lung. C. Brain. D. Crown.
Time's up.
The answer is D, 20 points for class B, C, D, E. Next question. Question 4. Which of the following statement is right? A. COVID-19 can be treated by antibiotics. B. Vaccine is provided to patients of COVID-19. C. Adjuvants are added to some vaccines to stimulate a stronger immune response. D. Vaccine can only be applied by injection.
Time's up.
The answer is C. 20 points for class D and E, quick response part, about the COVID-19 vaccine. Next question. Question 2. Which of the following vaccine is co-developed by British University and Swedish company? A. Johnson & Johnson vaccine. B. Moderna vaccine. C. Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine.
Class 4C. B.
The answer is incorrect. The answer should be C. Deduct 10 marks for class 4C. Next question, question 3. How many doses of BioNTech vaccine should the people receive? A. 1.
Class 4E.
2.
The answer is correct. 20 points for class 4E. Next question. How many people in Hong Kong have received the second dose of vaccine as of 29th of April 2021? A. 300,000. B. 50,000. C. 70,000.
Class 4E.
Incorrect. The answer should be B. 50,000. Deduct 10 marks for class 4E. Force the person to develop the first vaccine against smallpox.
Class 4D.
The answer is correct. 20 points for class 4D. Next question. The last question. Which of the following diseases would be offered a vaccine for the female students in primary 5 and 6 in Hong Kong? A. Hepatitis B. B. HPV. C. Hand, foot, and mouth.
Class 4D.
The answer is incorrect. The answer should be B. Minus 10 points for class 4D. Class 4A has 160 points. Class 4B has 180 points. Class 4C has 190 points. Class 4D has 200 points. Class 4E has 270 points. So the winner of the science quiz goes to class 4E.
Question 1. What is the full name of COVID-19? A. Crown virus disease 2019. B. Cow virus disease 2019. C. Corona disease 2019. D. Common virus disease 2019.
Time is up. Please show the answer to the front.
Answer is C. That means all of the class are correct. Question 2. Which of the following is the scientific name for the virus causing COVID-19? A. COVID-19 virus. B. SARS-CoV. C. Hepatitis B. D. SARS-CoV-2.
Time is up. Please show the answer to the front. Class 5A.
The correct answer is D. That means except 5E. Question 4. Which of the following statements is right about viral spike protein? A. It can be found on the surface of the virus. B. It is used by the virus to attach to cells and get into cells. C. It can be used as a target by the vaccine. D. All of the above.
Time is up. Please show the answer to the front.
The correct answer is D. That means class 5, D, C, E are correct. Which of the following vaccines is developed by American and German company? A. Johnson & Johnson vaccine. B. Comirnaty. C. Moderna vaccine. D. CoronaVac, Sinovac.
Class 5C, please answer the question. Class 5C, please show me the answer.
The correct answer is B. The answer is correct. Question 2. What is the minimum age for receiving the BioNTech vaccine? A. 16.
Class 5E, please answer the question. Class 5E, please show me the answer.
The correct answer is A. The answer is correct. Question 3. Which of the following vaccine is not the COVID-19 vaccines available in Hong Kong vaccination program? A.
Class 5B, please answer the question. Class 5B, please show me the answer.
The correct answer is C. Question 5. What should be the temperature range used to store mRNA vaccines? That is BioNTech. A. -90 degrees Celsius to -60 degrees Celsius. B. -20 degrees Celsius to -10 degrees Celsius. C. -10 degrees Celsius to -4 degrees Celsius. D. 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius.
Class 5D, please answer the question. Class 5D, please show me the answer.
The correct answer is A. The answer is correct. Question 6. When the scientists show the evidence that mRNA can be used as vaccines? A. 1990.
Class 5C, please answer the question. Class 5C, please show me the answer.
The correct answer is A. The answer is correct. Question 8. What is the meaning of "vac" in vaccines in Latin when Edward Jenner developed the first vaccine? A. Cow. B. Sheep. C. Pig. D.
Class 5E, please answer the question. Class 5E, please show me the answer.
The correct answer is A. That means the answer is correct. Question 9. Which of the following statements about herd immunity is not true? A. Also known as population immunity. B. Indirect protection from an infectious disease. C. Allow the infectious disease to spread. D. through vaccination.
Class 5B, please answer the question. Class 5B, please show me the answer.
The correct answer is C. The answer is correct. About tests for COVID-19. Question 10. Which of the following tests is not commonly used to test for the COVID-19 patients? A. Test for the presence for nucleic acid by PCR. B. Test for the antibodies against COVID-19. C. Test for the spike proteins on the virus. D. None of the above.
Class 5D, please answer the question. Class 5D, please show me the answer.
The correct answer is C. The answer is incorrect. This is the last question. All questions has been asked. Class 5A, please show your marks. Class 5A got 140 marks. Class 5B, please show your marks. Class 5B got 210 marks. Class 5C, please show your marks. Class 5C got 210 marks. Class 5D, please show your marks. Class 5D got 170 marks. Class 5E, please show your marks. Class 5E got 180. Because two classes have the same scores, that means we have to have another additional question. Question 11. How many domestic helpers in Hong Kong should have compulsory testing in May? A. 300,000. B. 320,000. C. 370,000. D. 400,000.
Time is up.
The correct answer is C. Final round. Question. How do we get the samples for test of COVID-19? A. Nasal swab. B. Throat swab. C. Antibodies in blood. D. All of the above.
Time is up. Please show the answer to the front. Class 5B, please show me the answer. Class 5C, please show me the answer.
Correct answer is D. That means that both classes are correct. Okay. Question. When was the World Immunization Week in 2021? A. 1 to 7 April 2021. B. 24th to 30th April 2021. C. 10th to 14th May 2021. D. 17th to 21st May 2021.
Time is up. Please show the answer to the front. Class 5B, please show me the answer. Class 5C, please show me the answer.
The correct answer is B. That means class 5B is correct. The winner of today's science quiz competition is class 5B.